Puffer.
Where's her litter box?
On my dresser.
On Angel's dresser.
He got catnip. He's high. I want to post it on my MySpace.
No, because my bed is in there.
It's okay, they can't see nothing on your bed. That's why I got down low.
No more. No more.
Come on, let him have some more.
No.
I'll clean it
No.
up.
No. Drug addict cat.
We got a drug addict in the family.
No.
Wait, Mommy, what is he going to do? Wait, I want to see what he's going to do.
No, I don't want him to eat her treats either.
I'm not going to let him eat them. I just want to see what he's going to do.
Trying to get to that catnip.
No. He wants to stay permanently high.
No, give me the catnip. He's druggy. My little boy is a druggie.
He's a drug addict. It's catnip. See, look. Catnip.